Hi, I'm Angela, an entrepreneur, a beauty queen, model, and mother. And my passion is to empower you to shine. So let's get the magic started. Welcome to the world of YSL. So I was in Riyadh at the shopping mall and I couldn't help myself. And I wanted to step into the YSL store to have a look at their Valentine's collection. Because for some of you who have seen my previous video that I did yesterday, I bought YSL online, right? This is in-store purchase. I bought YSL online yesterday, a couple of days ago, and I was a little bit disappointed because I didn't receive the little red box that came with the Valentine promotion. And today I am super happy. Why am I so happy? Not only did I get a rose, I got a really good deal, and I got this beautiful gift with purchase. Okay, it's free and you must see it. I can't wait to show it to you. But first, let's get to the purchase that I bought today. So it was actually a gift set. I think it's from a previous collection if I'm not mistaken, okay? And it comes with a perfume, lipstick, and mascara. And it cost me just slightly above 300 SARS, which is roughly about 100 Singapore dollars and maybe 70 to 80 USD, okay? And I wanted to get a lipstick because I love lipsticks, but the promo was too good to miss, and it was just a little bit more cost a little bit more than you know, a regular lipstick that you can just get from the shelves. And what do they have in here? This oh, how cute is this? I really love this. See, what it says is, you know, that it's kind of like a sustainable material, reduce our impact. Okay, not quite sure, but I'm all up for it. Yeah, and you know, I can use this makeup pouch, another one to add to my collection. And the freebies that come inside, so you pay for this. It's a mascara. Okay, the Lash Clash is pretty good, and a lipstick. Okay, yeah, and this is the Slim Velvet Radical in 21. Let's have a look. Okay, this is the YSL. Maybe it should, yeah, the YSL. Okay, and yeah. Basically, it's like a berry red. I love my red lipsticks, right? So yeah, I was actually in store to look for the red lipstick that was on promotion for Valentine's, but they didn't have it, but they had this, you know, this set. So I was very happy to purchase it, especially with that little gift bag. And my favorite miniature Le Bear perfume. It's too cute. I love my Le Bear perfume, and this would be perfect for my collection. So cute and tiny. Okay, so I love my red rose. I love it. YSL, I'll just sell. The in-store beauty assistant was super kind, and because I bought that, she gave me this for free. And honestly, I've never had such a good free gift for paying only, you know, 300 SARS, or just above 300 SARS. The last promotion that I bought, I had to spend above 750 SARS. So I will definitely go back in store to purchase all my YSL products in the future, my beauty products, instead of buying online. And okay, stay tuned, guys. It's so pretty. This is the box, okay, that comes, and it says YSL Eau Rouge. Okay, whoa. Wait, guys. Wow, look how stunning. So what came with it was this really cute pouch. Okay, it's just a little red pouch. Okay, but so adorable. And it came with a band, a headband for when you want to, you know, wash your face or stuff like that. Okay, keep your hair nice and neat. Okay, I'm gonna put on the full wax here for you to see. And a lovely eye shade. I'm totally red out. Lady in red and eye shade. How cool is that? Okay, I can't see myself, but you can see it. So nice. And it'll be perfect for tonight. It is Valentine's. And a little face towel. Okay, a little YSL face towel. Okay, so I can actually put all these nifty goodies into this little pouch. Okay, and the eye shade. And the headband to go with it. And voila! That is my beautiful Valentine's free gift. And so happy, so happy. Tell me if you like it. Have you seen it anywhere in your country? Because every country is different. And this is here in the Middle East, in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, okay? So happy Valentine's to me and to you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick one to share my lovely Valentine's surprise with all of you.